How are you guys? In this video we will discuss about insurance and how to find worldwide cheapest insurance like car insurance, life insurance and much more. If you want to know about cheap insurance, stay tuned till the end. Follow this informative video. Let's start today's informative video. First thing is that we will must know about insurance. What is insurance and how it works? What is insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company pools clients' risk to make payment more affordable for the insurance. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk financial losses, both big and small, that may result from damage to the insured or her property, or from liability for damage or injury caused to third party. Next question is that how insurance works. There is a multitude of different types of insurance policies available, and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. The most common types of personal insurance policies are auto, health, homeowner, and life. Most individuals at the United States have at least one of these types of insurance, and car insurance is required by law. A firm understanding of these concepts goes a long way in helping you choose the policy that best suits your needs. For instance, whole life insurance may or may not be the right type of insurance for you. There are three components of any types of insurance: premium, policy limits. Travelers has an excellent record of paying claims. The core business of insurance company and also ranks exceptionally for discounts and financial stability. GEICO is typically among the cheapest insurance options in almost every state. They also offer instant online quotes and the ability to buy a policy at any time, day or night, without any against help. Homeowner insurance is a form of property insurance that covers losses and damages to an individual residence along with finishing and other assets at the home. Homeowner insurance also provides liability coverage against accident in the home or on the property. Life insurance can provide peace of mind that your beneficiaries will be provided for after you die. Getting approved for life insurance after a cancer diagnosis can be challenging, but cancer patients do have option for coverage even with pre-existing conditions. An accident or illness that prevents you from working can be financially devastating. Disability insurance helps you pay bills and cover your expenses when you can no longer work due to injuries. Health insurance protects you and your family against financial calamity when you become ill. By the year 2050, nearly one-fifth of the world population will be over 65. Long-term care insurance for yourself or a loved one can help ensure you would not run out of money before you run out of time. Liability insurance can caution you and your business against claims of harm or wrongdoing, ensuring your business has the right coverage to keep you protected.